Let's now install Apache Tomcat on this EC2 instance, and we will also use yum package manager to list down available modules that match Tomcat. So I will do yum list Tomcat and then asterisk, and then it will list so many Tomcats available. So I have 6, I have 7, and I have 8. And during the development we've downloaded Tomcat 9, which looks like is not available yet here, and I hope by the time you watch this video Tomcat 9 is available through yum. So but it's okay, we can install 8 and our web services code should work fine with Tomcat 8. So what I will do now, I will do sudo yum install Apache 8, sudo yum install Tomcat 8, and hit enter. So it says the total download size is only 6.9 megs. I say yes, okay, hit enter, and that should install Tomcat. Okay, everything is done, Tomcat is installed. So now to be able to manage Tomcat web applications that are installed on Tomcat, I also need to install the admin web apps, or that web interface that we use to deploy and undeploy web applications to Tomcat. And I will do it by running sudo yum and then install, or let's actually don't remember the name, let's find it through yum list Tomcat and look for it. So it's called Tomcat 8 admin web apps. So I will copy it and then do sudo again yum install and paste the name Tomcat admin web apps and hit enter. So I'll confirm it, yes, and now we have web apps admin installed as well. Okay, so now we can start Tomcat 8 on this instance, and the command that we use to start it is called, again, we are running this on behalf of root user, that's why we always use sudo, and then we will use service, and then the name of the service is Tomcat 8, and then there are 3 different options. To start Tomcat initially, we will use a start. If you want to stop Tomcat, then we will use stop. And if we want to restart the Tomcat service that is running, we use restart. So let's start it first. So I'll do start and hit enter, and it says okay, so a service has started. And we can go and check if Tomcat is running. We'll go to console, select the instance, and then I will copy the public DNS, and I will open a new window, and I will paste it here. And we know that Tomcat is running by default on port 8080, so I will do 8080. And the URL to the admin manager page which we can use to deploy web application is manager /HTML. So if I hit enter now, Tomcat is asking for username and password of the manager, of the admin of this dashboard. But we did not create any users for our Tomcat yet, so we don't have it, we will need to cancel. But we see that Tomcat is working. Okay, so to stop Tomcat service, we will repeat this command sudo service Tomcat 8, and then we can do stop, and then hit enter, and that will stop your Tomcat. And if I refresh this page now, the server is no longer running. And another one, which is restart, basically we start it now, the Tomcat should become available again, and if I want to restart, I do restart and hit enter, and that will stop Tomcat first and then start it again. So our Tomcat is working. Let's continue.